Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am the Fissy of Glam by Fissy, and today's tutorial is going to be a smoky eye tutorial. I really can't wait to get into it and then see those rhinestones. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Turn on your post notifications and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's just jump right in the video. I am moisturizing our skin with the TM Essentials moisturizer. God, this moisturizer is so luminous and I like the glow effect it gives it. I always, these days, not even always, these days I just like to always press it in with my damp beauty sponge so that everything can be properly blended in. Then I went in with the Zaron oil block, to just to block the oil rather. Then I'm going with a face primer. I use the Rimmel mattifying primer. She has really like oily, she gets oily around our T-zone area, so I concentrated it there. So for foundation, I went in with the Glam Girls foundation. I used 2 shades and I cannot really remember. I'm going to put it in the description box below. Please do well to check it out. Then I'm going to go in with my damp beauty sponge from Talk Glam Cosmetics. I actually won this beauty blender as a giveaway and it made sense. I won it in a giveaway, not as a giveaway, and it like makes sense and it's so nice and so soft, guys. It's so soft, very soft. So I'm just going to keep pressing the foundation into our skin. You know what, we have to blend it now, blend it appropriately. I always go in to apply with a standard flat brush, a standard foundation brush, before I go in my beauty blender, just because I don't want my beauty sponge to soak in all my foundation. Makeup products are too expensive. So for highlight, I'm going to be going in with Fun to bring to light all the places, all the points that I want to pop, all the points that I like to eat my face, underneath my eyes, underneath our eyes, our chin, the bridge of our nose, and the legs. Yes, I know I promised to do an updated highlight and contour tutorial. I really don't know why I have not filmed that video. I'm going to film it, I promise, guys. I will film it. So for contour, I already used chestnuts, but I found it was not dark enough. So it was not as if I wanted a dark contour, because there's something about contour like I've not been digging these days, but it was not as dark as I wanted. So I'm just snatching the nose, you guys. So I went on to blend the contour out. At this point, I let the concealer sit in for too long and it was dried up. It gave me so much problem blending it out. I still did it. I still blended that shit. Yo, I blended it out. It took a while, but then I blended it out. I just kept on going over the concealer and the foundation with my beauty blender. I just kept on pressing it, and I'm glad you ended in praise. Saying that it ended in praise, yeah. So I just kept on blending the contour out. At some point I went in to add a little bit more. I didn't want it to be too much. I felt like she had that chiseled out face already. I didn't just want it to look like okay, I think I don't know what to say anymore. So I flipped the beauty sponge. I don't know if you guys saw that, and I'm using the other side to blend out the highlight. These days I'll just prefer to blend out the other areas before actually blending underneath the eyes, because I want that part to be really tacky. Dami, why are you raising your head? Anyways, this is my model, Dami. I forgot to introduce her. She's so lovely and so fun to be with. I had a lot of fun filming this tutorial for you guys. We kept on gisting and talking. I really like models that are just easy to work with. So to blend out, I've already overtalked. So I just wanted to blend it out. You guys know how I blend out my highlights now. So to set the under eye area, I went in with the Beauty by 80 setting powder. Oh God, this setting powder, Jesus Christ. I'm dramatic, but guys, this setting powder is true. It's so smooth and so lush. Okay, I used the shade Beach. Yes, I used the shade Beach, and now I'm going in to set it with the V Beauty powder palette. I really don't know the powder shade I used, but then I know I used something about 2 shades lighter than actual skin tone. Then to do a powder contour, I just went in with the last shade in the palette and the second to the last. I mixed it and then I used it to further accentuate contour. Guys, I don't always do powder contour. I don't always do it because I feel like you just never lose your contour. I don't know how that happens, and I don't know if anyone else has noticed. If you've noticed, please let me know in the comment section. There are times I don't even do powder contour, and at the end of everything I can still see my contour. I mean, I don't know. Is it weird? Is it normal? Please let me know in the comment section. So I'm going all over her face with powder. I'm just setting the whole face with powder now. I really don't know that shade. I'm going to put it in the description box below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you don't want to help my ministry, Abby, please make sure to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button now. Turn on your post notifications so that when I post a video now, you won't be notified. You won't be like you did not know that I posted a video. And I'm not even going to act like you guys don't know that. No, come back. Guys, I just hit 500 subscribers. Thank you. I love every one of you. I wish I could give each and every one of you a hug. Like, I love you guys so much. Let's get to 600. Let's go to 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just spraying, now to lock everything in. So for brows, I'm going in with the Davis pencil. This pencil, it just never gets hold. Like, it does always find a way. Like, this pencil, let's not lie, this pencil is good. Let's not lie, okay? So I'm just drawing a straight line underneath and on top. I have an updated brow tutorial on my channel. Please, I'm going to link it in the description box. Please go and watch it if you want to improve on your brow game. And I think I want to do another one to show you guys how to do your brows if you finished your skin work. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. So I'm just going to fill our brows in with the pencil, fill in the sparse areas like so. I'm just going to fill it in. You know what I'm saying? Fill it in. I feel like I'm too unserious. Sisayo. So I'm just going to fill it in. Just make sure that it looks as fly as possible. Guys, can you see my nose? My kid's nose. Okay. So I'm concealing. I think I used fawn. Yes, I used fawn for the arc area because I don't always use the same concealer for like the whole of the brow. For the arc area, I'm going to use like a lighter shade just because I feel like it's just only the arc part that needs to pop. These days I don't even like clean the top of my brows. I feel it's unnecessary. So I'm going to use chestnut for the beginning of our brows and for the end of our brows, and that's what I'm just doing here. Let's watch, let's pay attention. Okay okay. I hope you guys are getting it. I'm reducing my voice so that you guys can let it sink. You know what I'm saying? Let it sink. So I'm just going to blend out the concealer and make sure that it's even out. And I just went in with my Beauty Line by DD brow gel, I think. Now I'm using the Benai Clam White eyeshadow primer. Guys, I slept on this primer. I slept on it. I always saw it on YouTube and everywhere. Everybody was using Clam White. But no, I didn't. Until I got it, guys. It's a good buy. I mean, it's a very good one. Then I'm going to bake and add a lot of powder underneath eyes to catch eyeshadow fallout. And this eyeshadow tutorial is so easy because I didn't even use like gel liner. I just went in with black liner. I just kept on packing it on the eyeshadow primer, and I made sure to like apply it in circular motion so that the way I was just applying the eyeshadow, I was practically blending it out. See, I was just applying it in circular motions like that so that it doesn't give me like any serious ash line. Is that correct? So that black was not black enough for me. I went in with another black. So I just kept on like going over and applying in circular motions. Like, then I went in with that orange shade from my Zaron eyeshadow palette to blend the ash lines out and also to transition. I'm just blending it out in circular motions. Like, it just does the work in circular motions. That way you're applying and you're blending it out. So I did that on the other side. I said I was looking through, like, it was giving me one kind of purple vibe, and I was not feeling it. Like, I just wanted it to look well blended out and everything. I didn't want too much color like on the eyes. I went on to pop our falsies from Lady V Beauty Cosmetics, I think. So I'm just dusting off the excess powder underneath her eyes. Like, I just tossed off a little bit and pressed the rest into her skin. You guys try that method and come back to tell Fissy thank you. So I smudged on it underneath her eyes with black eyeshadow too. Yes, I smudged it with, I just did the same thing I did on her eyes underneath her eye. Yes, I used the orange and yellow and stuff, so I just blend it out. And then I went on to set her whole face, apply powder to her neck. And for blush, you guys know this my go-to blush from BM Pro Beauty in Mallow. Yes, I can never forget this shade because so I'm just spraying it. I'll say spray, 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 like British fashion chic could say. So I went on to line underneath her eyes. Yes, with Mabrook pencil. That eye pencil is the blackest eye pencil ever. Then I am lining her lips with, why did I not change my tone? What's that? So with that brown shade from my Eye Magic lip palette. Then I added peach. Then my go-to gloss from LA Girl. Yep. So I'm just blending that out because blending is my cardio. I'm just blending it out to give like a silhouette. I'm going to need to spray again because what if shame me? So I went on to add the rhinestones. They're just the regular ones, nothing serious. And this is how the look looks like now that I am done. This is the final look, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you love this look. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.